First of all, we'll start off here with stance and starts from the running back position. I have Matt Days here, sophomore tailback, with us this evening. And one of the things we do at practice is we start off every segment here, we get in the proper stance, taking the first step. And we try to use the lines as a marker, as a guide here. So Matt's going to get up here with his toes behind the white line. All right, we'll always want to start with a good base with our feet shoulder width apart. Okay, and then we'll get into a series of make sure I have some knee bend to where our knees are bent slightly over our toes. Okay, we got a little bend in our waist, keeping the flat back. All right, and we're going to be relaxed with our hands resting on our thighs. So that now our chest and our eyes can be up. Because one of the things that's important as a running back is being able to take a picture of the defense, all right, prior to the ball being snapped. And you want to be as relaxed and comfortable in this position. All right, the reason being that we are knees bent at the hips is so that we can be an explosive player taking a step. All right, playing running back is one of a couple of things that you need to take a proper step. It'd just be a straight vertical downhill lead step, or it might be a lateral step. And as we sit here in this position, all right, from a footwork standpoint, we want to be about 60% on the balls of our feet. All right, so there might be a little bit of air on the mat's toes, which is fine, because everything we do, we want to take a positive forward step, not the false step and step behind us. So as Matt's sitting here, you know, we go through a series of we'll take a lead step with our right foot, okay? And it's just a one-step process. So I just give Matt a command of set hook, and he's going to take a lead step with his right foot, really enforcing that the heel of his foot crosses the white line. So we're gaining ground with that first step. So here we go, down, set hook, good, all right? Relax. All right, one of the things you don't want to do is to be a gatherer. So if Matt's in the position and the weight's on the balls of his feet, then now Matt pushes off to the left and steps to the right, so he doesn't have to rock back to go forward. All right, let's get in that same position again. All right, now we're going to take a lead step with our left foot. Say hit. All right, that was a little better. All right, so now that's just an example of us working downhill lead step. Now, from the same standpoint, from a zone scheme, whatever different scheme may have, maybe a blitzer come off the edge where we have to work more lateral, all right? Same premises there of having 60% of our weight on the balls of our feet, all right? Being eyes up, knees over our toes, shoulders over our knees, all right, in that position so we can take a positive step. All right, so now Max is going to take a zone step to the right. All right, he's taking a zone step to the right. But the same thing is, we don't want Matt to cross over to take a step. We're in our position here. We're going to push off mental weight on his left foot. And he's going to open up his stance and step with his right foot. Not moving that left foot. Just putting in position to push off. All right, here we go, Matt. Down. So hit. Good. All right, so be in that same position. We'll go through that series. Matt's going to step with his left foot this time. Down. So hit. Good. All right, relax. So that's our series there of our stance and starts. Key points there, all right, is our knees over our toes, our shoulders over our knees, hands relaxed on our thigh board, eyes up, chest up so we can see the defense.